Hello, dear kids. How are you all? Welcome to Little Riders, and it's story time. Do you know what is today's story about? Any guess? Can guess? Here, I want to show something to you. So, are you all ready? Yay! 1, 2, 3, and ta-da! Whoa! What is this? This is a little blue truck. So the story name is Little Blue Truck, and it's written by Alice Shutter, and beautiful pictures in the books are illustrated by Jill McElmurray. So here we start with the story. Horn went beep, engine went bird. Friendliest sound you have ever heard. Little blue truck came down to the road. Beep, said the little to the big green toad. The toad said croak and winked his eyes to the little blue when the little blue truck went rolling by. Do you know, kids, what happened next? Who came to meet the little blue truck? So the sheep said baa, the cow said moo, and the pig said oink, oink. When did they all said all these? When the little blue truck said beep. Cluck, said the chicken, and her chick said pip. And then comes the goat. The goat says moo, and beep, said the blue again. Then who will come? Then horse. And how does the horse make sounds? Can anyone tell me? Yes, said loudly. So neigh, said the horse. And then who is going to come? Quack, quack, said the duck. Neigh, said the horse. Quack, said the duck. And again, beep, said the little friendly blue duck. Then what happened? Do you know? Oh, yelled the big dumping truck, which was coming behind the blue truck, and he went like, oh, I have important things to do. You know, kids, what did that big dump truck said to the little friendly blue truck? I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck which passed through the way. Vroom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to surf. Puddle? The muddy puddle. So the big yellow truck was curving around and he saw a big puddle and he tried to surf. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy duty dump truck tires, the tires, these are the little tires, but that big yellow dump truck had big tires. His heavy duty dump truck tire was sunk down deep in the muck and mire. The heavy duty tires of the yellow truck, the dumping truck, was stuck inside deep the mud. Oh, cried the dump. He sounds scary, but nobody's there listen to him. Then, do you know, kids, what happened? Into the mud, bum bum bum, came the little blue truck to help the dump. The little blue truck pushed the yellow pushed the yellow dumping truck with all his might. Ugh. The dump and the blue both were stuck in the muddy puddle. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and sheep. The horse was also coming running from the gallop from the up top to help his friend, the little blue truck. And even the goat come running and jumped through the fence on the coals. Even the hen came flapping with the chick and the duck. Everybody was there, and everybody now all together. Who is there? The hen, the duck, the chick, the horse, the cow, and the pig, and the sheep. Now everybody is there, and everybody is pushing the little blue truck, and they are pushing with all the powers they have. They are trying to take their friendly little blue truck out of the muddy puddle. Let us see what happens then after that. Now kids, do you know how they all were pushing head to head? In such a way they were pushing like head to head. They were joining their heads and pushing in the blue truck head to head and ram to ram. They pushed the little blue truck who pushed the dump, because dump was in front of the blue truck now. So all their friends were pushing the blue truck and the blue truck was pushing the dump. After pushing a lot, yet all the friends could not manage to budge that heavy load. Then do you know kids who came hopping and jumping? Came the big green toad. All together they say 1, 2, 3, one last push and the trucks were free. Yay! As the trucks were free, so the big dump truck said, "Thank you, little brother," to the blue truck. The big yellow dump truck said, Thank you, little brother. You helped me and all your friends helped you. Thank you." Big dump truck said, "Now I see a lot depends on the helping hands from the little good friend," said Blue. "Who wants a ride?" Everyone scrambled and jumped inside. Everyone came jumping in the truck. Moo, oink, quack, croak, nee, ba, ma, quack, quack, quack. Everyone came jumping to take a ride in the friendly little blue truck. All of them. Boom! The little blue truck carrying all his friends. Beep, beep, beep. So, dear children, how was the story, The Little Blue Truck? I hope you like it. We will meet next time with a new story. Till then, bye-bye and take care.